over your mind. Let us in. No demons. Homo sapiens.
Yo, what's up, guys? Today is part 2 of the Lancer upgrade on exhaust, man. We got the new headers right here. We got the stock ones right here. I'm gonna let y'all see what we got, man. So I already start tearing things down, trying to cut time, but this is the stock header right here. You know what I'm saying? The heat shields and all that. This is our new ones. DC Sports. You know, look pretty cool, man. We see how it sounds. It looks kind of the same size, but swap this neck over to this neck. So we just gotta transfer this piece over.
I think we might need to.
Oh shit. Or reuse the old one. Fuck it, why not, man?
Could have kept the other one I had the other day.
Yeah.
I wasn't thinking about doing this so soon.
Yeah, that's cool, man. We already did. Shit. It's like moving back and forth. I know it's gonna have to have some flex. As long as this shit tight, that's all that matters. Okay. Pocket, I got this out of. Where I get this shit from?
Oh, over here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, carpet.
I gotta put the sensors back on.
Yeah. So, 2 sensors. I like the fact this thing got some plate in it.
You don't think we should put this back up?
Yeah.
Because this is.
Hold on, let's see.
Or you want to put that up first?
Let me see how I do this. Let me put this first. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Alright, it's recording.
Alright, man. All we got left is to tighten up the bolts for the headers. See, the pipe's already in. Already in there. Hope you guys can see. So let's just tighten them down. Got the flashlight?
Oh, I see what that.
This shit got too much leverage. Let me get like one short one.
Too much leverage?
Yeah, I ain't trying to crap that bitch up. I mean, to take it off, it's best to use the one with good leverage, but going back on, so you can at least feel how hand tight it gets. Use the fucking air ratchet.
Why?
Now that everything's like pushed down, like it's so much
Easier?
space, you know?
It released so much space
Yeah.
without all that heat shield shit in there.
Yeah. Alright, that's tight.
This one's easier to work with than the last one, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, you got rid of that heat shit up here.
And the bottom one.
Yeah.
That's extra weight the car don't need.
Hell yeah, man. Yeah, and there's 5. So there's 5 bolts back here. Alright guys, we got everything back in. So now it's time to start. Go ahead and fire it up, man. What do you think? It sounds deep. Damn. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, that motherfucker sound deeper. That joint like, whoa. Well, I got that rumble in it, yo. Shit.
This is probably gonna stink too.
Yeah, all that fucking PB blaster.
Yeah.
So what you think, man? You like it, man?
Yeah, nice, man. Too much branding today.
Hey, man, that's it, man. We finished it, man. All right, see y'all. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel, man. And yeah, man. Thanks for watching.
Open your mind. Let us in.